I play Sofia Wagner. I am a Russian scientist, paleontologist, and I have been sent for this uber secret project, and so I have been living on my own, trying to survive.
I'm gonna go find them, dead or alive.
Really, for me, more so is the heart of it, the heart of this team that is facing these just incredible oddities, you know, death, and just having to pull together not only for what they go through, but just them as a group.
We won't survive an hour. You'll make them die.
I'm just excited to see it. I'm so excited to see it, and I can't wait for it to get out there and for all of you to see it.